Today I'm going to show you how to remove Figma from Windows quickly and correctly. Whether you're trying to free up space, fix an installation issue, or just no longer need the app, this is the easiest way to uninstall it from your computer. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, click the Start menu and type Control Panel into the search bar. Once you see Control Panel appear in the results, press Enter to open it. If your Windows version shows Add or Remove Programs instead, that works too, so don't worry if your menu looks a little different. After Control Panel opens, look for Programs and Features and click it. This is where Windows lists all of the installed desktop programs on your PC. If you're using the newer Windows settings view, you may see an app list instead, and the uninstallation process will still be similar. Now scroll through the list of installed programs and find Figma. If you have a lot of apps installed, you can take your time and look carefully for it. Once you locate Figma, right-click on it and select Uninstall. Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the program, so go ahead and approve the prompt. After that, let the uninstall process finish completely. Depending on your system, it may take a few moments for Figma to be removed from your Windows computer. Once it's done, you can close the window and restart your PC if you want to make sure everything is fully cleared out. And that's it. Figma has now been removed from Windows. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next helpful tutorial on your screen.